When most people think about the ketogenic lifestyle, they focus on food, what to eat, what to avoid, and how to stay consistent. But after years of coaching and working in psychology, I've seen something that surprises a lot of people. Keto success often has less to do with carbs and far more to do with the people around you. Today, I want to share 3 relationship-based shifts that can make keto easier, more sustainable, and far less stressful, whether you're just getting started or you've been doing this for years. Point number 1, your environment influences your willpower. One of the biggest misconceptions in health and weight loss is that success is all about discipline. In reality, psychology shows us that environment almost always beats willpower. If the people around you constantly question your choices, pressure you, just have one bite, or make comments that feel dismissive, your brain experiences that as stress. Stress raises cortisol, cortisol increases cravings, and suddenly staying keto feels exhausting. That doesn't mean you lack the discipline. It means your environment is working against you. Supportive relationships lower stress, reduce decision fatigue, and make good choices feel more natural instead of forced. Point number 2, support doesn't require agreement. It requires respect. A supportive relationship doesn't mean everyone has to eat the same way you do. True support is about respect, not agreement. The most helpful people don't need to understand every detail of keto. They simply respect that you're doing what helps you feel your best. That might mean not pushing food, not teasing your choices, and not making you explain yourself over and over again. Setting gentle boundaries like, this works for me, or I'm focusing on consistency right now, isn't rude. It's healthy. Boundaries protect your energy, and protected energy leads to better consistency over time. Point number 3, community creates consistency. One of the most powerful ways to stay consistent on keto is to stop trying to do it alone. Community matters because it normalizes the experience. When you hear others say, I struggle with that too, motivation changes, shame decreases, confidence grows. Whether it's an online group, a coaching environment, or even one supportive person in your life, connection reduces isolation and reinforces belief. Consistency doesn't come from pressure or perfection. It comes from feeling supported, understood, and encouraged through the ups and downs. If keto has ever felt harder than it should, don't just look at your food, look at your circle. The people around you can either drain your energy or help you build momentum. You deserve relationships that support your health, your goals, and the version of yourself you're becoming. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss future mindset-based keto guidance. And let me know in the comments, have the people around you been mostly supportive, or has it been challenging? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.